My name is Catherine Halpin and I teach British and World Literature. This is my 13th year teaching online and I absolutely love teaching in this environment and I can't wait to have you as a student. I love teaching online because it provides a lot of student opportunities. You can work and go to school. You can explore an interest and still go to school when it works for you. You can focus on an area of need more. So, as say you need to spend 2 hours in literature, or you need to spend 2 hours in math, and maybe not as much in another area because you excel in that area. This environment provides that opportunity for you. And I love that with going to an online school, you have a more diverse population. You don't just have the kids who you've gone to school with from kindergarten through 12th grade. Here you are in school with kids from Cincinnati, Columbus, you know, Lima, all these different small towns in Ohio, these different towns in Ohio with these different experiences. You get to learn from so many different people, and I think that's amazing. And I can't wait to help you grow as a learner. For many of you, this is your last year of high school, and my goal is to help you foster those reading and writing skills that you'll need. That way, you have the tools you need for your next steps after you're out of high school. This is a very exciting time. You'll use those tools whether you go to college or trade school or simply the workforce, because not only is it reading and writing, but it's learning to understand and communicate, which is why this class is so important, and I believe in it so much, and I can't wait to teach you. If you ever have any questions throughout the school year, I promise I'm nice. So don't hesitate to reach out. Have an awesome school year, and I can't wait to work with you. Thank you. Bye.